Did you know a serial killer's own ego led to his capture after 30 years of freedom? In 2004, Dennis Rader sat in church pews in Wichita, Kansas. He looked like any other respected community member, but this man had a deadly secret. For 17 years, from 1974 to 1991, Rader terrorized Kansas as the BTK killer. He murdered 10 innocent people and taunted police with chilling letters, signing them "Bind, Torture, Kill." Then he vanished into silence for over a decade. But Rader's hunger for attention grew too strong. In 2004, he started sending packages to police and media again. He craved recognition for his crimes. His fatal mistake? He asked police if they could trace a computer disk. They lied and said no. When Rader sent that floppy disk, forensic experts found deleted metadata revealing the author's name, Dennis. The location? Christ Lutheran Church. The same narcissism that drove him to kill became his downfall. In 2005, police arrested the shocked compliance officer at his home. Technology and his own ego finally ended BTK's reign of terror.